Hi, I'm Ashley Hagen with SWWC. Today we'll be looking at Canva's Presentation Mode tools. To get started, open your presentation and click the Present button in the top right. From here, you'll see several options. Full screen is the most common. It displays your slides full screen and allows you to move at your own pace. This is perfect for direct instruction. Presenter view is a powerful option, especially when you have two screens. You'll be able to see your notes, a timer, and a preview of the next slide on one screen, while your audience only sees the presentation on the other screen. Autoplay allows slides to move automatically based on the timings you set. This works great for stations, open house displays, or independent student work. During your presentation in full screen or presenter mode, use the draw tools to annotate on the slides or draw attention to a specific part. When you exit the presentation, all ink notes will disappear. Need to jump around? Use the slide grid view in presenter mode to quickly navigate to any slide without clicking through each one. In Canva for Education, there are also audience interaction tools to help make your presentations more engaging and interactive. This feature is called Canva Live. Start a new Canva Live session through presenter mode. Attendees will be asked to visit canva.live and enter a session code to participate. The moderator can toggle questions and answers, as well as enable reactions on and off throughout the presentation. This allows for a customized interactive experience. Finally, speaker notes can help guide your instruction and keep you on track during your presentation. Don't want to be tied to the front of your classroom or to the presentation computer? Feel free to use a phone or iPad as a presentation remote. Scan the QR code to activate the remote on your mobile device. You can advance slides, see speaker notes, or utilize the magic shortcuts. You can walk around the classroom and still interact with your presentation.